Nah, yeah, I've got a jack, but I haven't got a spare tyre. I ain't got a spare wheel. Is there a tyre shop over there? What, with a wheel? Really? Yeah. No way.
Did you get it out? Oh, well done. What's that?
What's a wooder?
That's a what? So we're at the side. What's that? Ah, we're at the side of the road, aren't we?
Yeah.
What's happened to Daddy's car?
It's flattened.
What's happened?
It had a loose tyre.
A loose tyre.
Yeah. The tyre's moved flat.
Yeah, that's right.
It's loose. Why did the boy just to stay here?
Yeah, that's right. So the car's got a flat tyre. So yeah, we're just by the roadside.
We do.
Hoping Uncle Junior.
Where's Uncle Junior?
Oh, just hoping it'll get fixed. Hmm? Yeah? Just stay there.
Oh, what, you recorded?
Yeah.
How much of it did you record?
Just bits. Like you got out and recorded bits, then after you left, I recorded bits.
Oh yeah, recorded the actual flat tyre.
Yeah.
So, do you want me to continue?
So yeah, go on then. Go on then.
So it's rained. But today it's rained more than it's ever rained. We've been in Jamaica. Like I'm talking
Torrential
mad
rain.
rain, solid
Heavy,
torrential
heavy
rain that didn't break for about 3 hours. Right, that's not the problem. Anyway, I thought we'd gone over a stone because when it rains there's loads of rubble. But apparently the bloke that just saved us, our hero, I had a couple of them to be honest, about 4 blokes. They, I thought it was a stone, but apparently the guy at the tyre shop, which I wish that I could have filmed it because it's unbelievable. Geezer's in like almost, and he was like so quick. And like,
I thought I was going to be waiting for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours for Toby to come back. They literally just went up the road.
Let me tell you this. Sorry to go.
Start from like the
yeah. So basically, we got a flat tyre and jump out, and it's completely flat as a pancake, right?
Fully flat.
I pull up into like a roadside like bar, shop, whatever. And this bloke in the car next to me, who I pull up to, his name's Wayne, right?
Thank you, Wayne.
Yeah.
If you do ever see this, thank you again.
This
thank you so much.
We must have pulled up to him. We must have been there for about 15 seconds.
You literally got out the car, walked around, looked at the tyre, and basically Wayne, who was in the car parked next to our car, just got out and
jumped out the car
helped.
basically, and then he was like, "Have you got a jack and a lug iron, tyre iron?" And I was like, "Yeah." I went and got it. Come back round and was kind of doing it. Anyway, he jumped in and he just was like, I was
jacked up the car.
I was being too precious with it, so I stood aside, and he got the wheel off like. It must have been like at a record speed. He must have done that. So I mean,
and what was funny as well, the car was parked at like quite a severe
really
angle,
bad.
And he wasn't even bothered by that. He went and got a few stones to help prop it up, and yeah, just amazing.
Yeah, so I've changed loads of car tyres, wheels in my life, right? Like lots and lots. But anyway, he must have got the wheel off in about 30 seconds to a minute. And anyway, so then he was like, oh, so he's stuck in the boot of his car and then drove us up the road. He was like, oh no, there's a guy I know, like not
I'll
really
let you
far
tell
away.
the story.
So anyway, so we jump in the car, go up the road for about 1 or 2 minutes because they basically got like car places everywhere. You knew where one was. And I go in and there's a couple of young lads there, like cleaning down this like workshop, who obviously work for the main bloke. Anyway, the main bloke's down like the bottom in this like area, like around the back. He just finished, but he was still there. He come up and he's drinking like a Magnum tonic, enjoying himself after a hard day's graft. Like, but that's his office, do you know what I mean? He's just having like a little drink after work. Just finished. Anyway, he comes back up and he like inflates the tyre, puts it on this like, you know, jack thing to hold it, and within about 2 minutes, he'd like pushed a hole through where the puncture was, so he found it straight away, and he then, I don't know what he put on the end of this like thing, and he had like this stuff like glue on his trousers, like, and he like, you know, like if you're sharpening a knife or something, and he scraped it off and like stuck it on the wheel and pushed this thing through and popped it out. And I was like, how long will that like, hold for? And he was like, no, it's good, that's fine now. Anyway, so I might go back. He said come back and try and get another wheel, because he's gonna like, so I've got a spare. But basically we haven't got a spare because we bought the car without a spare. And we did have been to a garage and asked about getting one, but they didn't have any. Should have been more persistent. Anyway, we're lucky that it happened down the road. Anyway, the whole entire event must have taken 25 minutes.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we also rang up our landlord, Misha did, and this Wayne had whisked me off to the tyre shop. Like, and he's got like pretty strong Jamaican patois, do you know what I mean? But I don't think he understood half of what I was saying, and I couldn't really understand half of what he was saying, or the guy in the shop, you know. But they were absolutely wonderful people, and I gave Wayne, like, I don't know, I gave him some money. I won't tell you how much Wayne. No, I gave Wayne a few quid. Like literally a few quid, like nothing. Like what I had in my pocket, do you know what I mean? And then when we got to the tyre shop, the bloke fixed the tyre. It must have taken him 5 or 10 minutes to do it, right? Anyway, he wanted 500 Jamaican dollars, which is £2.50. So he wanted £2.50 for a guy instant roadside assistance from a bloke I've never met before, to take my actual jack the car up, take the tyre off, then drive me to the tyre shop, then sort the tyre out, the bloke to fix it, then drive me back, and then I tried to put it on, but he wouldn't let me, and then put the wheel back on, and all of it was done, what was it, half an hour?
Yeah, it was really quick. As I say, I thought I was going to be waiting by the side of the road for hours, half an hour.
Half an hour tops the whole thing, right? To fix the tyre, take the tyre off, put it back on, okay? And drive me to the place. So like, this is like, people say, they talk about like Jamaica taking a long time and like bureaucracy and stuff. There does some stuff I understand, right? But most of the stuff that we experienced, for example, when we went to the car shop last time, it's in the previous video.
Yeah.
They changed two wheels from when we just walked in. We were there for an hour tops. Drove the car in, paid the money, changed the tyres, brand new tyres, off you go, and a new windscreen wiper, and it was 70 quid, and it took an hour. There's no way that is going to happen, and there's no way anywhere in England, if you broke down without a spare tyre, you'd be picked up by some random good Samaritan, in the street after about a minute of it happening, then change a tyre for you, take you down the road, get it fixed for you, and bring you back within half an hour.
The kindness of people here has just been...
It's unreal.
It's
next level.
It's unreal.
And also, like I said before, our landlord, okay? Like, I was like, I'm so sorry, mate, and he's like, no, like, genuinely doesn't care about...
And he said
like,
if we have anything, like, any issues, we can call him. And, like, again, it's just so touching how kind and just
it is actually unbelievable how helpful and how friendly and how quick things are.
It's something I feel like I've not quite experienced to this level, like the kindness of people, and they're just wanting to help, and it's just it's lovely. It's really, really lovely.
Yeah. The geezer really took charge as well. I bet he obviously swept me aside after about a second and was like, and then just sorted it all out, which I was like, fair enough, really. But not as look, just so everybody knows, I've changed, I don't know how many flat tyres on a car. Okay, so it weren't like I'm completely useless, but
Yeah, he did do it quick though, didn't he? And he
Yeah,
just
and he
knew
knew
what to do, where to go, yeah, everything. And again, yeah, we're just really grateful and just, yeah, feeling really surprised and grateful for everyone's help today. And as well, obviously, we had the children with us. So when you break down by the side of the road and you've got the children, yeah, it's not the nicest feeling, but again, it
so
just
we're in like a rural area, but it's in a rural area which is like a little built up town bit where there's like a quarry and there's big trucks.
you don't want to be stranded anywhere, do you? At
It ain't dodgy, that's not what I mean. But I mean, like, we're like up a mountain, so you wouldn't really want to be like. The only good thing was it was right outside the shop, so it would have been alright for drinks and that.
But yeah, we're just feeling super grateful, super surprised, and just, yeah, really touched by how kind everyone has been to just jump out the car and basically help us. And
We got other stories that we can't really talk about, really, can we? Or say, but other like random people that have helped us,
yeah,
like with unbelievable
Yeah.
kindness.
I've just been blown away by the kindness.
There's another gentleman that did something for us that's
Yeah.
really, really nice and unbelievable, right? And we
think
both
about
probably,
it every day.
I was thinking about it and like being truly grateful and happy and just completely blown away, or like properly in almost a state of shock. I think we both were.
That's
But
why I
like-
think about it like basically every day. The kindness was just, yeah,
was unreal,
amazing
wasn't it?
there. That's what happened to us today anyway.
Ciao for now.
Yeah, see you in the next one.
Bye.
Subscribe, by the way, subscribe. If you like what we're doing and you want to follow our journey and see what's coming our way, we always keep forgetting to say subscribe. So yeah, subscribe.